KCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
President Jong Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala ulaong bakaseng Congress kanam yate lok satya bat kano kaseng sign pertai haswa lani hadin ka election kaban salong house nem arjar arpulai namar bakani kan sapun tronno ya ka party.
When it comes to align partner for be it pre-poll or post-poll, I think we as a state we have to discuss with the central, in a sense, with a central body in EICC, with High Command. So, but if you ask my personal opinion, so at least for we are not in favor of any pre-poll alliance. I don't think, because we have been we have been preparing our candidates almost every constituency. So the questions of pre-poll alliance doesn't arise. So, and about all these things, it also depends on the High Command. So, personally, I'm not in favor of tying up with any party in the state. And not only me, we had a meeting also. We have a meeting with the vice presidents, with others also. We had discussions, and they said that I think we should not go for pre-poll alliance with any party. That will weaken the party, because when we go in alliance with any party, our workers will be working for them, not for us. So in the future, in the long run, that will weaken our party. If you see in UP, we have gone alliance, keep on aligning with any party. Ultimately, we have become very weak. If you see in Tamil Nadu, if you see in Tripura, you see in any other states, whether we win or lose, if we stand our own feet, at least we have workers everywhere. So that is the plan. Some people might have said, because when Amparin and other 4 MLAs were in the Congress, and before we drop her as a CLP, I think that was, they all have gone there in the name of the Congress. But we have already suspended them. And the final action will be taken by the Disciplinary Action Committee from the AICC. So the company already sat once, and I think they have to sit again, because not only for Meghalaya but for many other states also. So therefore, I think what he referred those times when the Congress, that's why we suspended them from the party. So the questions of tying with the present government doesn't arise as far as Congress is concerned in the state. Taking the decisions, the moment they have joined there, we suspended them, and at the same time we call explanation. They did not answer. So after they did not answer, then we sent our recommendations to Delhi to take action. And they already sat once. Like I told you, when it comes to action against MLA, it has to be taken by Delhi. So they sat once, and then they told me that they could not complete in one day. And Meghalaya turn will be made the next day. I think within a week or two, they will take a decision, because they just called me even the day before yesterday or so, that they are going to sit very soon on this issue. So I think expel or suspended, I don't know, but the party will likely to take a decision on this very soon.
Hagaji ekran berkilat patai kubor hagala sengi ublay ka arfu santerik upnai yayong arjar arfu ar. Uba Vincent Pala ulayathu bakaseng Congress ka Ladep Jied hadu saupongut ki Kyrtong ki Pynïakhun na kabenta ka election siya kayeng dorbar thawan ka bansalong house nem arjar arpulai.
Candidate is one thing, but identifying the candidate, that's another thing. So we have already identified a few of this. It's almost 40 candidates we have already identified, and most of them are already working on the ground. But announcing of candidate, that will be as a normal procedure. It has to go from the block to the district, and then we have to go to the High Command for the approval. So normally why we don't announce the candidate much in advance, because some of the seats, when you announce the candidates, in case there's 2-3 aspirants or more than one aspirant, then they're likely to leave the party, or maybe they're likely to file as a rebel candidate. To minimize all those, so be it the Congress, be it in other parties, normally we don't announce the candidate in advance, but identifying the candidate, telling the candidates you'll be the resolution taken by the bloc and the districts. So the candidate who are going to fight the election, more or less 90% of them knows that they are going to fight the election. September or October, many of other people are likely to join us.
No, announcing
the candidate at the state level, we will not be able, but maybe at the block level and the district level, they can make a resolution that this is the candidate. If this one single name, so they can always.
Shushu ulayaturu baga Kongres kan sa penbenano yaki Kyrtong la kumno hau benai risau mentau senem arajar arpuar.
This should be almost by September or October. As of now, many of our candidates are still working with the government. Some of them are going to take voluntary retirement. Some of them are with other parties. They will have to leave their party and join us. So I think maybe 6 months before the elections, that is in September or October, by that time I think the Congress also will be ready with the list. As of now, some of the constituencies we are in the screening of the candidates. So it's too early to say now. Actually, Congress, in spite of all odds, we have won, but we are trying to do our job. You see, every day we have a meeting under different blocks. Most of the blocks we already settled, and a few blocks, for example, where we have not finalized their candidates, we are screening now. So I think we are in the process. Almost every day we have a meeting, 5-6 blocks, and every day for screening and how to work. Even for those areas, those blocks which we already have our candidates also, we tell them how to work better. So in this line, I think we are quite active almost every day. But we did not show to the press too much because I think they will try to purchase our president, they try to purchase our candidate, even the CLPs has been, taken by them. So now we are cautious now. So now they are trying to take out our different office bearers, be in the districts, be in the block. So we are very careful now.